Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today we're making something beautiful and useful, your very first crochet washcloth, using the single crochet stitch. This is a perfect beginner project. It's simple, soothing, and such a great way to build confidence with your stitches. We'll go nice and slow, and I'll walk you through every step. Here's what you'll need: 100% cotton yarn. I'm using worsted weight, Lily Sugar and Cream, a size H 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for finishing. You can use any cotton yarn you love. Just use something soft and absorbent for the bath or kitchen. Let's begin. Make a slip knot, then chain 31. This will be the width of your washcloth. You can chain more or fewer if you want to adjust the size. Skip the first chain from the hook and single crochet into the second chain. Then continue to single crochet in each chain across the row. Count your stitches if you need to, and don't worry if they're not perfectly neat yet. That comes with practice. You should have 30 stitches total at the end of each row. At the end of the row, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and now you'll single crochet into the top of each stitch. And then you're going to work across the whole row. You're going to repeat the process, chain 1, turn, and single crochet across until your washcloth is square or the length that you like. For me, that's usually about 30 rows. When you've reached your desired size, cut your yarn, leaving a 6-inch tail. Yarn over, pull the yarn through to fasten off. Then you'll use your needle of yarn to weave in the ends. And there you go, your very first handmade washcloth. This is such a great beginner project, useful, quick, and so satisfying. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials, and don't forget, you can join my free beginner crochet course to learn step by step from your very first loop to your first big project. I'm so proud of you and I can't wait to see what you make next.